Hey folks, today we're going to learn how to calculate the percentage of a number using JavaScript. This is a super common need in budgeting, score systems, or statistical displays. Let's get straight into how you can do it with just one simple formula. Our job is to take a number and find what a specific percent of that number would be. This logic applies in everything from discount calculators to statistics. We follow the classic math rule for percentages. Divide by 100 and multiply. Now, let's write the code in JavaScript. Here's the whole function in just 2 lines. Clean and efficient. We take the input num, divided by 100, and multiply it by the percent value. The result is exactly what you'd expect from the math. Let's now understand how this works from under the hood. We always start by dividing the base number by 100. That gives us the 1% value. And then we multiply it by the percent we want. This process is universal. It'll work whether your input is 1,000 or 1,000,000. Let's plug in a few examples to test it. Let's test our function with a few sample inputs. As you can see, it works perfectly whether we use decimals or round numbers. It even handles 0, which is great when you're dealing with dynamic inputs. Let's now explore some real-world uses for this. From calculating discounts in an online shop to tracking progress in a game, this formula is everywhere. Percentages are a basic part of UI feedback and financial modeling. So mastering this gives you real coding power across many app types. Let's recap what we've learned today. And that's a wrap. We saw how easy it is to calculate percentages using a short and powerful formula. Remember this method. It is essential for apps, dashboards, and business logic. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.